Hi everybody. Tonight we're looking at my 1905 Indian head cent certified by NGC MS-63 Red Brown. This coin was minted from 1859 until 1909, and this is the Variety 3 version of the coin. The obverse of the time noted the incongruity of placing a Native American war bonnet on a bust which is meant to be both female and classically Greek. The coin's designer, James B. Longacre's earlier use of a feathered tiara on an Indian head $3 gold piece had been viewed as less strange. The reverse of the coin is traditionally a better strike, a more sharp strike, than the obverse. The Variety 2 and the Variety 3 are identical in design, but different in composition. The Variety 2 is a copper-nickel composition, while this coin is of the 95% copper, the same composition as the Abraham Lincoln Memorial cents up until 1982. This coin, even though it's certified as a red-brown, it is mostly red, with a few brown streaks here and there. The reverse has more brown than the obverse does. And you can definitely tell the reverse is a sharper strike than the obverse. When most people look at these coins, they look for the 4 diamonds, which are present on this coin, but cannot be used as a grading scale, as the sharpness of the strike varies from coin to coin. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed looking at this coin. Please comment below, let me know what you think, and like and subscribe. Good night.